I'm gonna show you something in the VS Code, right? So this section is called sidebar, primary sidebar. So this can be moved to the right, left, down, etc. Right? So the focus for today's topic is how to move the icons to some other places or to reset this view. So for example, I was actually looking for one of these icons and it was missing. So for some reason now it was moved to some other panel. I was not able to find where it was, right? So I was able to get it back. So how I did, I'll show you. So before that, this is called primary um, sidebar, right? So this you can move to the right, it'll come here, and you can move it back to the left side. This is called primary sidebar. And for some reason I had moved this to um, panel. So panel is the one which comes down below, right? So I have moved this here. So this is missing here. So if I know had done this, I can move it back to primary sidebar, right? I didn't know what had happened, and I was searching for it, it was not there. So if you don't know where you have moved, or you have multiple icons and you don't know some of them are missing and how it happened, you don't know, then there is an option in the search bar. So what you have to do is you have to say view reset panel, right? So I mean location, basically reset view location. If you do this, I think you have to do it with a command palette, not just search. So to go to the command palette, I think you can go to view and then say command palette, and I have a shortcut command shift P, command shift P in case of Mac. So just type reset view and this will come back. So this is how I fixed it. So if icons are missing here, most likely it is moved to some other panel. So to get everything back to the default view, you just have to press reset view locations, right? That's how I got it back. Thanks folks.